One place that I've always wanted to visit is Korea. I would love to go, Brendan. You've been many times.
I have.
And this is a dish that you love from there.
Yes, a Korean seafood pancake.
Oh, so good.
Crispy, chewy, lots of delicious seafood in there.
Yeah.
It's just everything you want.
It's really a foodie hub, isn't it?
Absolutely. So much delicious food there, from kimchi to the markets with fresh seafood, pancakes as well with so many different fillings.
Yes.
This one's my favourite one.
All right, well, let's start the batter.
Okay, really simple. We've got plain flour.
Yes.
We're going to add in a bit of cornstarch.
Okay.
Make it nice and crispy and light.
Yeah.
We have some cold soda water as well. And it's cold because once it hits the hot pan, it's going to go crispy straight away.
Nice one.
Yeah. Pretty similar to like if you're making like tempura or like another batter of some sort.
Yeah, it's that crispiness that we're aiming for here.
So while I'm doing this, I might get you to chop up the spring onions. We're going to add this into the batter as well.
And how would you like me to chop those?
Maybe like 3 to 4 centimetre chunks.
Okay, big chunks. Yeah, so you don't want these to get hidden into the actual
Yes, you
batter.
actually want the texture and the flavour as well.
And any of the dark part, or you just want
Maybe like one more?
One more?
That's good.
Very nice.
So if you want to add that in,
Okay.
go for it. And as well as the fish sauce as well, for flavour.
Very nice. Oh, look at that batter. It's really light and fluffy, isn't it?
It is. How good does that look? So that's going to go onto the pan. I'm just going to turn that on. And we have our seafood as well, which is going to sit into the pancake as it sets. We've got some prawns and squid as well as some mussels.
Very nice. And this is actually one of the many recipes that is in your most recent book.
Yes, this is a book about street food.
Oh, how good street food. Tell me about the street food in South Korea.
Yeah, I mean, it's so delicious. So many flavours, textures. The markets there are incredible.
Yeah.
Hand-cut noodles, dumplings, heaps of kimchi. I think here in Australia, you think like kimchi is just one thing, but when you go there, there's like 50 to like hundreds of different types and just in one shop.
Yeah, different textures, different fermentation of it.
Yes.
Some are quite raw, some are being fermented for a very long time.
So that batter's ready. We're going to put that into the hot pan with some oil in there.
Yes.
Just grabbing a ladle to ladle some in. And we want quite a thick pancake. Okay. So I'm going to add a fair bit in. And as this starts to set and cook around the edges, I might get you, Justine, to pour in some of the seafood.
You can see why you need that oil to be super, super hot, because it already starts to set.
Yes,
and make it crispy.
and you can see it's going crispy around the edges.
Yeah.
That seafood's going to set in there as well.
Am I putting way too much?
No, that's good. I think being generous is good with this kind of food. That's what I love about street food. It's really bold and generous.
Here we go.
Awesome, that looks good. Whilst that's doing its thing, maybe we'll put together a really quick dipping sauce for the pancake.
Great.
One of my favourite Korean dipping sauces. Sour, salty, sweet, a little bit garlicky and spicy as well.
I can mix that for you. So mixing that straight into here.
Yes, please. So garlic straight into the onion. I'm going to add in some rice vinegar, some light soy sauce, and lastly, the Korean chili flakes.
Aha, now tell me about Korean chili flakes.
Yes, not too spicy, a bit sweet, a little bit smoky, just a nice flavour profile. The pancake is starting to set. I'm just going to crack on that egg. Wow. Then we're just going to basically break it into all the edges, so it's going to set.
I have seen so many different Korean restaurants pop up recently in main cities. We know bulgogi, which is a classic one, but this I've never seen being made before. It's quite interesting.
Yeah, I think this is one that I saw more on the streets, like the street food vendors.
Yes.
Which for me, I love street food vendors because they're small families that just make one dish and perfect it, so it's always so tasty.
Yes.
Have been making it for such a long time.
And super, super fresh, because it's competitive out there, isn't it?
Absolutely. So I might give that a flip. Okay. We're going to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes.
All right.
Here's the fun part. Ready? There
Success.
we go. How good does that look?
So good. Ooh, and crispy.
Crispy too.
Yeah.
All right, I think that's ready.
Okay.
Let's flip it onto the board.
Yep.
Chop it up, and then
Ooh, nice flip.
go. How good does that look?
So good, caramelised everywhere.
You can see the bits of spring onion, the seafood, the egg set in there as well.
So
now the next part is to slice it up.
Okay.
And then we'll dip it into that sauce. So if
Very
you want
nice.
to put some sauce onto the dish.
Can do. Ah, I see. So you cut up into little bite-sized pieces, easier to eat.
There we go.
Nice one.
Let's get these 3.
I'm going to take this.
It's got to be quite hot, yeah.
Right here. Dip it in the sauce.
Grab this little bit here.
It's so good.
It's nice, isn't it?
I love
Crispy on the
it.
outside, but the inside still is quite moist and,
Yes.
and fluffy.
And fluffy, and that's why it's so unique. I've actually never had a pancake like this, and I love the spring onions. They've cooked through, so they're not completely raw. I think Korean food, they do like that raw onion flavour too.
They
so
do, yeah.
You get that in the sauce.
Lots of raw onion in South Korea.
Yeah, and it just works so nicely. Very clever cooking, Brendan. I love it. Thank you.
Thank you.